Hey, grab a staff. Today we're going to be going over the 12 basic strikes of the Filipino staff. So just do exactly what I'm doing, just copy me. We're going to hold the staff, palm up, palm down, and you're going to see that the right side is a little bit longer than the left side. So we're almost in the middle. We're just going to come down a little bit. From here, we're going to strike down on that angle 1. Okay, so we have our downward diagonal. Number 2 is our backhand downward diagonal. So 1 and 2 make this X, just like this. Okay, you can either strike with the staff like this, or you can slide the staff for extra momentum, extra striking power. Angle 3, we're going to come up the lines, and 4, up the line. So 3 and 4 is up the X. Okay, so let's do that again. 1 and 2 down the X, 3 and 4 up the X. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 and 6 are horizontals. 5 and 6. So 5 is the forehand horizontal, 6 is the backhand horizontal. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 7 is the vertical smash. Let's work these 7 first a little bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 right there. Again, follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 right there. All right, number 8, we're going to thrust to the center. 9, thrusting on the backhand. 10, we're going to thrust over here on the forehand. Let's work that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Number 11 is our redondo off the forehand side. 1, 2, right there. And then number 12 is the redondo off the backhand side. 1, 2, right here. We have 11 and 12 right here. So once again, 11 on the forehand, 12 on the backhand. Boom. All right, let's put it all together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Pop right there. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Bring it over. 10, 11, and 12. Right there. One more time together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Boom, right there. If you need a staff, you can do 2 things. You can either A, head over to CaliCenter.com and go check our store. And if we are out of stock on them, because sometimes we are, I have a backup for you. I want you to go visit my friend Kyle over at KarateMart.com. I have a link directly to his site down in the description. And if I'm out of staves, go grab a staff from my friend Kyle. He's got great staves, great sticks, and I love supporting his business because he's a great guy. So go practice all week long these 12 basic staff fighting strikes. Join me inside of my online school over at KaliCenter.com so we can take your staff fighting to the next level and all the other areas of Kali. I'll see you over there.